Come in, look. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
No.
Cubby.
Cubby.
Yay! Hey guys, it's Icy from Icy Studio, and what's up? What's up? How's everyone going? I hope you guys are having a great holiday so far, keeping safe and having fun and having a relaxing time with your loved ones. So as you can see, I have finally decided to buy new furniture for my studio. Actually, I still feel weird calling this spare room a studio because I don't know why. But anyway, new furniture. Who this? So prior to rearranging the studio, everything felt so cluttered. So all of my calligraphy supplies and all of my art supplies were in plastic containers that were stacked on top of each other. And then when I needed something that was at the very bottom stack, I would like sift through all of the plastic containers. I felt like the studio was very cluttered, and the past few months I have been feeling very burnt out and less motivated. I felt like I was going through so many creative slumps since the beginning of the year, and just rearranging the studio just helped my mind like organize itself. So I can't personally get things done when my surroundings are so cluttered. I just have to make sure everything's in their proper place, make sure everything's tidy, and then that's when I can do the work. I don't know about you, but that's how I am. So now that I have a very tidy, organized space, I feel more motivated, more inspired, more energized, and I've got all of these workshop ideas and things that I can put on my shop. So hopefully I'll get all of that done by next year because I really want to get back out there in the game. So anyway, other than studio news, I've got my December bullet journal set up in this video. So as per usual, I am still using my Archer and Olive Neapolitana. Is it Neapolitana or Neapolitana? It's got craft, black, and regular white paper on 160 GSM thickness. So it's perfect for really inky pens and even paint. And this wreath is actually inspired by Tila Cunningham of Everytuesday. Check her out. And I decided to do a little Dutch door. So I'll show you how I did all of that in a second. Apart from my December bullet journal setup, I just had my Christmas brush calligraphy workshop over the weekend, and it was so fun. I kind of took a break from doing workshops before that, and like I said earlier, just rearranging the studio, rearranging my environment just gives me a new sense of inspiration, and I feel more let's do this. And I also have footage of getting ready for my Christmas brush calligraphy workshop in this video. So I hope you guys enjoy your holiday season. Please relax and stop thinking about all of the stress. I hope you're not working, but if you are, I salute you. Yeah, you are a hero. And please continue to stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Merry Christmas, happy holidays.
So this is my Christmas monthly page, and I love how it falls in between the white and the craft pages in my Archer and Olive Neapolitana notebook. And I love how the white ink stands out on the brown craft paper. And also wreaths are really my weak points when it comes to floral illustrations. So I got this inspiration from Tila Cunningham of Everytuesday. I think it's one of her holiday YouTube videos, and check them out. check those videos out because they are very easy to follow and very easy to construct. And that's where I got my wreath inspiration from. I used brown leaves on the white paper because I wanted to make it look like the white leaves on the craft paper were continuing onto the white paper, if that makes any sense. And I love how the green and the red still stands out on craft paper as it does on the white pages. And I love how Christmassy this page looks. Previous bullet journals, I would write out all of the months and the days in calligraphy, but recently I have gotten into hand lettering. It's something that I've been wanting to improve, so I've been applying that into my bullet journals. So here is my hand lettered December monthly page. So as you can see, I have decided to do something minimal and just use little boxes for the days of the week in my weekly spread. So in my previous bullet journal spreads, I like mixing up the weekly spreads that I use. But with this one, I just wanted to keep things minimal. So I just kept all of the weeks the same. I absolutely love how the white ink turns out on craft paper. So with this spread, I just wanted to keep things within the same color spectrum, if that makes sense, or if I'm using the term correct. So I just wanted to use white, brown, green, and red and make things feel Christmassy. So every time I do my monthly setup, I like including a quote. So every December, I feel like I always write out, "It's the most wonderful time of the year," because it is my favorite season and it is the most wonderful time of the year. So that's my selected quote for the month. So just a little story of how I got into calligraphy. So the year I actually started my bullet journal, I decided to learn brush calligraphy because I wanted to make letters beautiful in my bullet journal. Like for example, with the days of the week and the months of the year, I wanted them to stand out and make them look really pretty. So that's how I got into brush calligraphy. And also later down the track, I got into floral illustration. So I moved from using stationery and washi tapes to creating my own headings and illustrating my own florals, and I enjoy it so much, and that's how I got into creative bullet journaling, which is the type of bullet journaling that I do. So with this month's bullet journal theme, I decided to do something different and do a little Dutch door. Nothing fancy, just a little something different. So here is my December bullet journal flip through. Yay! Bye.